Testing engine casing grooves to extend stall margins. NASA Glenn's W1A test facility.
Throttle at 1,000 RPM.
Aerodynamics testing in this facility will enable advanced compressors for next-gen engine designs for commercial flight. Casing treatments such as these can improve the stall margin of a compressor, increasing the stable operating range of the engine. Grooves in the engine casing above the rotor tips can improve the stall margin of a compressor.
Maintain 1,000 RPM.
Before a test, this inlet bell mouth is slid into position so that it mates with the test article. A grid at the front straightens the flow of air before it is ingested by the compressor.
Maintaining speed.
Air leaking over the compressor blade tips forms tip leakage vortices. These instabilities cause aerodynamic blockages which can lead to compressor stall. Grooves in the engine casing above the blade tips can redirect some of the tip leakage flow backwards into the incoming flow. Improvements in engine compressor efficiency contributes to fuel burn reductions and safer flight.